everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a hot flash and wrinkles makeup video, and we are going to be testing out this. Isn't it pretty? This is from Hard Candy. I got it at Walmart and it called to me. All these plummy colors, and then there's a few rust colors. We're gonna kind of go with the rust colors, but I'm gonna add some of the others too. I did see someone else use this, and they did say the glitters were kind of glittery. So I don't know if we're going to use glitter, but we are going to use some of these shimmers in here. So anyways, let's get started. We're going to put on our CeraVe for our base. And this is just the CeraVe PM moisturizer. It's what I always use. Next, we're gonna go in with our Bye Bye Pores loose powder from IT Cosmetics. Everything, if I forget to tell you something, it'll be listed below. And just put this on, a light coating of it. And the reason I do this is because I have lots of wrinkles, and if I don't do this base to it, then everything moves around and creases, and this really keeps it from moving around, and it helps keep it from creasing too. And now we're going to spray it. I'm going to use my Maracujá Miracle Mist. And then we gotta wait for this to dry real quick. We're gonna go in with our CleanSlate primer from Tarte, and I'm just going to rub it so that it gets warm on my fingers, and then press it. It's supposed to cover up my wrinkles and my pores, large pores. I have wrinkles on my lip too. All right, now we're gonna go in with our foundation. I'm gonna use my water foundation again because I really like it. And then I'm just going to brush this around before I go in with the sponge. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm using my McGrath. And we're going to blend this out. All right, now we're going to go in with our Bye Bye Pores powder and set all that into place. And this is the best. If you have mature skin with wrinkles and large pores, this powder is the best at smoothing it out. I just can't say enough good things about this powder. It's definitely my favorite. I'm taking my brush and just spreading the rest of that around to the rest of my face. And we're gonna go into, I'm gonna use my Tarte Travel, I think it's Pro Glow To Go. Yeah, it's a travel one, and I'm gonna use this down here for my contour. And I already have Bobbi Brown on my brush, so I'm gonna have a little bit of that too. But I'm not gonna pull it out, just what's on the brush. Just put that there, up around the temples, all the way across. Now I'm gonna go in with my Dallas blush. grab my highlighter. This is the Dandelion highlighter from Benefit. And I'm gonna go in with my finger. Put a little there, there, and there, and there. And then whatever's on my finger gets to go down my nose. Then I'm gonna take this and blend that out. And call it done. All right, I'm gonna do my brows real quick. I'm gonna use this pencil. This is the Milani eyebrow thing, and it's in taupe is the color. Or taupe. I don't know how you say it. You know what I mean. Oh. I know I've been using that micro filling one from Benefit, and I like it. I just wanted to use something quicker today. So for this eyeshadow palette, I think we're gonna go in with, I don't know how well I showed it to you, so let's try again. It's pretty. Let's go in for our transition shade. I think we're gonna go into this purple, this big palette of purple. It's kind of a lilac-y color. Let's just take a big fluffy brush for it, because that way it should go faster, right? Because usually these less expensive palettes take a little building. So we shall see. Oh, it looks pretty good. I haven't used hard candy in a long time, and I needed something for us to try out, and I saw this and it just called to me, so I grabbed it. I started to grab one that was bolder, but I thought, you know what, if I ever want to use it again, I need to get what I like. Not that I don't like bold colors, but I just don't wear them a lot. That looks pretty good to start with. All right, we're gonna go in with another color, and I think I'm gonna use this little denser brush for it. And we're gonna go into the, I think we're gonna go into this one right here. Can you see which one that is right there? It's a matte, and we're gonna put that in the crease. Just get a little darkness out here in the outer corner. I really like this other darker purple one, but I don't really want a totally purple eye, so I'm gonna pull in some of these other colors. Okay, and I'm gonna go back in with this brush that I used for the first color and just blend it a little bit. So far so good. It's very purpley though, so we're gonna go in with this kind of rust color right here. Put that in there and see if it makes us less purple. And just kind of blend those together and then pull it into the crease a little. I don't know. It looks good up close. I see the rust color coming through, but in the mirror over there, it still looks mostly purple. I gotta pull this up a little higher so you can actually see it. Well, that's good. Now I'm going to take the fluffy brush and blend some more. Get rid of those harsh edges. So far so good though. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with my fingers. I'm going to go in with this light color and put it in the inner corner just to lighten that up. That didn't really do very much, did it? Now, I am going to go in with this deep dark color right here and try and lift this eye up a little bit. So I'm going to use a angle brush here with this color and see if I can do this. I don't know if it looks dark in the pan, but it doesn't look as dark when I'm trying to do it. I may have to pull out a black shadow. I think I'm going to have to, because I just can't see that enough. I think I'm going to put this underneath too. So I'm going to keep this brush and we're going to go into a black. I have this, any black will work. This is like really, really old. I have a Maybelline black one too, but I never find it when I'm looking. So we're going to use this one and this little elf brush. And we're just going to make a little wing out here, a smudgy wing. To lift that outer corner. So now I'm going to smudge this out. I'm going to take a smudgy brush and just kind of smudge around the edges of this shadow that I just put on. And then I'm going to go in with actual liner and just do it straight across my, you know, like a line. And I'm going to use this L'Oreal liner that I've had for a very long time, but I recently revived it. So it should be great. Hopefully. So now, actually I'm gonna go off camera, put on some mascara and lashes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I have put on my lashes. These are the Kiss Jubilee lashes. And I put them on top, not on the bottom. I haven't been putting them on the bottom lately because it seems like, I don't know if my eyelids are too saggy now or something, but it seems like they just don't stay on good right now. So, plus I'm trying to use that serum to get my real lashes to grow back better. I put this mascara. This is the Grande Lash Mascara before I put my lashes on. And then for my lips, I put on these little Tarte things. This is the, I don't know what that says, Sugar Coat. Sugar Coat? Yeah, this is the Sugar Coat I don't know what the color is, but I will have it listed below because I have looked it up before. And then this is like a lip oil. It's also Tarte. Yeah, it doesn't say anything either, but I will have it listed below too. It seems like it was like, I don't know, dragon fruit or something like that. Maybe not. I don't know. It'll be listed below. And that's what I have. I have this first and then this on top. And I really like it. This stuff smells really good. Kind of smells raspberry-y. So maybe it's like passion fruit or something. Anyways, that's it. That's all I have on. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think of this eye look? It's not bad. I kind of like it. I mean, I like the look, actually. And I don't kind of like it. I like the look. I think it's pretty. Would I keep using it? That's what I'm thinking. It's like, do I have stuff that can make the same look, only faster? Probably. So, will I keep using it? Probably not, but is it a great buy for if you just want a drugstore palette that's pretty versatile? I don't know about these. I didn't even swatch these. I'll swatch this for you because I watched Emily Noel, and she used this glitter right here, this one right here, and when she put it on, she said it is just, see, it's just plain old glitter. It doesn't have a base to it or anything. I guess if I pull it back a little bit. And she said, and she used a glitter glue with it, and when she put it on, she said it is just plain glitter. So that's why I wasn't going to try it, just because I didn't want these chunks of glitter. She didn't seem to have any fallout from it though, but she did use a glitter glue too. So anyways, I don't know. I think it would be great for a young person who doesn't have the money to buy the high-end stuff, or it'd be a great gift for somebody. It's only $10, so it'd be a great gift if you have to come up with a gift, you know, for a party or something. A $10, it would be a good one, because all these mattes are great. It's just there's so many glitters in there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 glitters in there. There's only one shimmer, this dark pink. The shimmer was beautiful. I wish all these glitters were the shimmers. But, I mean, even with just all the mattes and the shimmer and the one shimmer, it'd still be worth $10. So, it's good. I just don't know. I just know I'm not going to use any of these glitters because they're just too chunky for me. But I'm not going to give it a thumbs down because it's still a great gift present, and I think the mattes worked great because I didn't. That's all I used was the mattes. Oh, I did use the shimmer just a little bit somewhere. I can't remember where, but I did. So anyway, that's it. That's our video for today. It held up really well because I have been hot and cold and hot and cold, and there is no creasing going on or anything. It really does look good. It's just there's so many glitters in there that it's like, do I want to spend that kind of money? I mean, not that kind of money. $10 is pretty good for, even for, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mattes, 1 shimmer, and then these 2 big palettes are both mattes too. So it's still worth it, even if you don't use the glitter. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so, so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!